Alaska Air Group, the company's airlines, Alaska Air, Horizons Air, canceling 70 flights and delaying others. A network outage causing the company's ticketing system to shut down. The delays and cancellations affected over 6,000 passengers. Dom.
Well, number 9, Deirdre's Edwards Life Sciences, shares of the medical company taking a hit in the pre-market after the company's third quarter sales missed forecast, and the company was cut from a top pick at RBC Capital to an outperform. And remember, JP Morgan analysts think that the competitive landscape will only get tougher for Edwards from here. Josh.
And number 8, Johnson & Johnson shares of the healthcare products company are lower in the pre-market. That's after the company was cut to sell at Goldman Sachs, citing competition for the company's latest drug launches. Deirdre.
All right, number 7, Josh, Green Mountain Coffee, the Keurig manufacturer, reaching a deal to offer Snapple iced tea in K-cups for use in its single-serve coffee makers. The Snapple pods plan to hit markets next year. Alex.
The third largest mining company in the world is deepening its cost-cutting efforts, saying it has lowered its estimates for China's economic growth and has become more cautious in its outlook given, quote, considerable price fluctuations. Josh.
And number 5, Netflix. We're keeping an eye on shares of the online video subscription company, pairing some of yesterday's 10% climb after the company was cut to underperform at Bank of America Merrill Lynch, saying that the risks outweigh the rewards. Deirdre.
Josh, number 4 is Google, the search giant, arguing its case in court for digitizing every book ever published. The company has just settled another suit with publishers over copyright infringement over providing text from books over its search engine. Dom.
And number 3, Deirdre, of course, it's Alcoa, the aluminium company, is kicking off earnings season when it reports after the closing bell today. The company has lost almost half of its market value in just the last year and a half as aluminum prices dropped to an almost 3-year low. Alex.
And number 2, Barclays, the second largest British bank by assets, agreeing to buy ING's British online bank, adding over $17.4 billion in deposits and about $9 billion of mortgage loans. No purchase price, though, has been disclosed. Deirdre.
Alex, thank you very much. The number 1 stock of the day, AT&T, the largest U.S. wireless provider, joining forces with IBM. It's a joint offering, essentially both companies seeking a bigger slice of the $14 billion market for cloud services. IBM providing the data storage facilities. AT&T is going to be offering network clients, well, basically the network that they can use to retrieve the data.